Unit 1. Do you like to wake up in the morning? See what the child in the poem feels. Good morning. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little wings that run. Good morning, birds. Good morning, trees. And creepy grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? I am wide awake. I am up now too. I will be right out to play with you. Femi R. Buchanan. New words. Creepy. Awake. Gone away. Reading is fun. Why is the child in the poem happy? To whom does the child say good morning? What does the child want to do? Talk time. In the morning I say good morning. At night I say good night. A dog says bow wow. A cow says moo. Say good morning in your own language to your friends, your teacher. How would you wish them when you leave school in the evening? Word building. Let's say aloud. Find words in the poem which rhyme with bees, day, too. What do you see around you during the day and at night? Draw in the two boxes given below and color the picture. Day, night. Tatarin di lopse lopte sumbadra Marigold sumbadre di ni liu tangbo dinalala anso ye nyanga doshi good morning lachi wache. So tangbo do you like to wake up in the morning? Ra shobwa kira laya lagawi ves. See what the child in the poem feels. Ta shoas kari ani pu di nyanga nang le yobe pu di kar sorkitu. So, good morning, Chuchati. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Ra, shobadele chra ani. Tadi nyanga ro chatura. Namda shobadele dance nyamala shobadele ladro chra. Good morning, little wings that run. Ani kare the lungs wings lana lung ro chatura. Little lana lung chunjung ro tade. That run lana long do thing that sola shobateles. Good morning birds and chud dola shobateles. Good morning trees and she non the shobateles. And creeping grass. Creeping lana ya turn de batosh la kuchura. Zadin suya taya kalikali ya turn le jura the dish la kuchura. Zadin sula brownie bees and it's under this chi colore. The did you can get at the shin doors, the lila browning. Bees lana than the drama, so that they get to shashrat, but the melody on the drama theatre. The delach. How did you find out it was day? Candice Hakosons find out lana Hakova Nebala Pochura. Candice Hakosons it was day. The Nimu in Bala, the Shobacharo, Zama Lansarati. Shawai Mahadasons. Who told you night had gone away? Sugi la sons kerala. Ra who told you lana sugi kerala la. And in saying the drosavati ra saying the drosavati sugi la sons. I am wide awake. Wide lana tanda chidang yachimbuta the shanga chimbura. Tanda wide lana bed ni bed tamajura. Dira ra tanga bed ni bed serious. I am up now. My lang Chinese. Ngaya lang das young lad do tira. I will be right out to play with you. Ngachulo la thandra yongwas. Karchiala to play. Zumtsalas keranyapla. Ra. That again the Femi R. Buchanan. Chera. Chige michre. Da gami martwa. Then new words. Sisa nala creeping. Creeping nana inchin. Come to Tajara the Daya Chika turn lay at the Dilla Kochuba. Awake lana nyeseva. Gone away lana drotsava. Padrotsava. The net reading is fun. Lawyer the door you at. Why is the child in the poem happy? 아니 아니가니 옆에 보디 가지니 기우요레스. 라. 달라 두고니 쇼바샤라디 딘디로치소 카츠음네도라. The child in the poem was happy. Lander is happy because 아니 dinala kare ko happy gyutush kartendo kora ani shobala yalanga gawore la because the child likes to wake up in the morning. To whom does the child say good morning? Sulas and Podi good morning latus. The child say good morning to sun, trees and Karelekti. Radina Samadila Chiach. What does the child want to do? Pudi Karishini Totus. The child wants to play outside. Talk time. In the morning I say good morning. Shoba good morning. At night I say good night. Konda me ani good night. A dog says bawa. That ki korai dat chatra. Ki bawa. A cow says paju kalare moo and kike. Say good morning in your own language. Kera ranki letter the own letter. Kera ranki ki nala good morning la shos. Sula to la letter. Your friends kera togo sula. Your teacher kera gela. How would you wish them when you leave school in the evening? Kera kandis layus. Wish lana paila samdishuadula kora tandadila. Kera ani lapta shan rudila leave lana lapta ne tamba. That gonda shiwaro ta lapta tandura nang la lodura. Lapta ne nang lodu tu kon e chidula and kera karila use consola lana dam landa kan consonil kodura. Goodbye, see you tomorrow to later. The date the word building and sisa was the ones patent the building and a chiatsi what the month down to Kora. Chezan word building and a sigmont down the Kuchura. That Hamudla let's say aloud. Danganzuye get chimbushin la was. Kalare find words in the poem which rhyme with. Rhyme nana gilage the timbasuyura. Kare tsigni tagi daj doa dawu yukin ra dindila rhyme ra ani nyenga na ye tsig tse shos kari ani konzo nyumdala rhyme chiki konzo nyumdala da tagi daj ra di chik chung yiki bena bees da is ki daj doa di chik wa yingi karto lana trees doa dindiro ra ta de di kar shakila yit senda dina shi tu ki daj kwa yiki ra. What do you see around you during the day and night? At night. Kirangi takorla kabla ra during na kabla. Nyimi kapta tsen kabla kare tongotos. Draw in the two boxes given below and color the picture. Nani kare wagi kasa given lana cheshabera. Shamgi cheshabe ye ane gamni doas. Dinala cheche ane chonda tanshos. Color the picture. Rata chundra khatang de la to nimo la khar thong go ti chen la khar thong ra ta san da mun ro ti chana ti ra the diro sam tang ne ti